You can get paid per each click, and in today's video I'll show you how, so you can earn decent amounts of money online. This strategy works for absolutely free and it is worldwide available, so anyone can join. In order to get the desired results, just make sure to follow me till the end of this tutorial. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified every time I upload brand new videos. So of course, you can be one of the first to watch them. If you love this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up, and of course you can just leave a comment down below if you have any question about this video or you want to leave any suggestion. Without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple steps so you can make this strategy work in the proper way, and of course I'm going to show you how to set this up on autopilot and get paid and earn passive income again and again. Of course, what you need to do first of all is to just stay here on YouTube. You need to just search on the search bar for some videos related to a niche that you think that is very popular and that is going to help people out. For example, it can be the cooking niche or the fitness one, the gaming one, and so on. I've searched for the weight loss tips niche, so I went with the weight loss niche, and you can see that it gives you a lot of results, a lot of videos, and you see that people are really interested in this kind of videos. So what you can do is to just open up as many as you can, and then you need to just copy the link address of that video. Of course, you need the URL of that video, so you need to copy it. After that, you need to proceed to the next step for this tutorial, which is to come over to this platform called ShrinkMe.io. So this is over at ShrinkMe.io, and here you can earn money online by shortening URLs. You can see that you can get paid up to $220 per 10,000 views, and I'm going to show you how you can get the most views. You can see that the steps to this platform are by creating an account, shortening your links, and earning money, but there are some other things that you need to do. That's why I invite you to follow me till the end of this video. First of all, let's see some of the features that this platform has. For example, this is a completely free tool where you can create short links, and apart from being free, they are going to pay you. You can work from the comfort of your home and get paid again and again. They offer you 20% referral bonus, so you can get advantage of their referral program and just invite new members over here so you can receive 20% of their earnings for life. They offer featured administration panel, detailed statistics, and also low minimum payout, so you can just reach $5 in your account and then request your payment, and you can get paid through PayPal, but even other payment methods as well that I'm going to show you in a minute. They offer the highest rates actually, and it's very true. I'm going to show you them in a minute, and also dedicated support team which is ready to help you with all of the questions that you might have. You can see that they are more than 2 million of registered users over here, and you can be one of them too, and you can get paid through different payment methods including Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, UPI, RTM, Payeer, and also bank transfer beside PayPal, of course, that I mentioned even before. What I want you to do is to go over to the payment proof section so you can see people from all around the world getting paid through their preferred payment method, and they are making decent amount of money actually. The first person here has made more than $100. Some others are making like $5, $12, $20, and so on. So it also depends on you, on the amount of effort and dedication that you are going to put on this to get the desired results. This is just one page out of more than 700 of pages, which is pretty crazy actually, and they do even show you like screenshots with payment proofs, which is pretty awesome. This is an actual proof that this platform is absolutely legit and it's paying their users. So what you need to do, of course, is to go over to the payout rates section. Here you're going to see how much money you can make per 1,000 views or clicks. You can see that they do offer a sign-up bonus of $1, which is just a nice addition, and also the other payment methods as well, because some of them are only available for India. You can see over here that if your clickers or viewers are from Greenland, you're going to get paid $22 per 1,000 of views. If they are from Ireland, you're going to get paid $16 per 1,000 of views. If they are from United States, like $8, Belgium, $7.5, United Kingdom, $7, and so on. And I want to mention that similar platform to ShrinkMe.io pay you like just $3 per 1,000 of views, while this one pays you a maximum of $22. You can see that the countries that are not listed here, it means that they pay you like $3.50. So it's pretty awesome actually. They have some pretty good rates, so I highly recommend that you use this platform for this strategy. So you can just click on the register button in the upper right corner. Then you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password, complete the CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and after that click on the register button. You can even sign in with your Google account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier since it just requires one click of a button, of course. So once you have created your account, you're going to be able to get access to your dashboard where you can just see your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM, which for the moment is $0, but this is going to change really soon. You can see that my available balance is $1, so I have received the sign-up bonus that we saw even before. They have even increased the CPM for these countries, as you can see over here. Of course, you can just go in the left hand side over to the withdraw button whenever you are ready to withdraw your money and you are ready to take $5. You can just click on the here button because you need to put your payment information. Here you're going to complete the billing address by putting your first name, last name, your address, your state, your country, and so on. And you can see that you need to put also the withdrawal method between all of these payment methods here, and then you need to put your withdrawal account, and whenever you are ready to cash out, you can do it. So then go over to the referral section because you can even get your referral link and you can just get it, copy, and you can go over to different make money online forums, for example, to find people that want to make money online, and you can share with them in order to make money and passive income. This is a way in order to just maximize your earnings. What I want you to do is, of course, to go over to the new shorten link up here. Of course, you may have guessed that you're going to shorten the URL of that YouTube video that we saw even before. So I just copied it by clicking on the title of it and then selecting copy link address, and then you can just go over to your dashboard, new shorten link, paste the URL over here and click on shorten. It's going to give you your ShrinkMe.io shorten link that you can copy in this button, and then you can just start sharing it with people that are interested in watching that kind of video. You need to find a free audience or traffic source where you can find people interested in watching some weight loss tips videos. Of course, if you are wondering why this platform is paying you, and it's because they are splitting the ad revenue with you. Whenever people are going to click on this link, they are going to see some ads first, and then they can just proceed with the video. So they are just splitting the ad revenue with you. What you need to do is to go over to Google and you can search for weight loss forums, and you're going to find a lot of results. Actually, you can just open up as many as you can, and you need to take part in these discussions. There are hundreds and thousands of people discussing here about different weight loss tips, and you can see that they are asking this kind of questions. So you can just take part in as many discussions as you want, and of course you can just share your link with them. You can say them that this is a video that is going to help them a lot, so they can watch it because it helped you too, for example. And what I recommend you do is to just find some weight loss forums in Greenland, Ireland, Canada, and also USA, because we saw even before that these countries pay you the most. So you can find some forums in these countries and find people from these countries to click on your link in order to make the most money. So with that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.